Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I'm here today with a recipe of Haryali Jhinga, that is prawns, but totally in my style and absolutely the best one. I really want you to try this recipe because it is going to be different from the normal Haryali marinade, what we usually use in meat, chicken, or any kind of seafood. But this recipe is gonna be, I've kept it very simple with minimal ingredients, but yes, it is a kind of seafood version, you can say. Very simple to make, yet very flavorful. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. I really want you guys to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming recipes. So let's quickly have a look at the ingredients for the first marination of the prawns. Here I have taken 750 grams of jumbo prawns. They are the large white prawns, but 750 grams after cleaning it. And here I have deveined them, trimmed the heads and peeled it and just kept the tail at the bottom so that it doesn't shrink. I have washed it and drained it well so that the prawns are dry. Here I have taken around 2 tablespoons of lime juice and around 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Salt will be according to your taste. And here in a bigger bowl I have taken the prawns and just adding only 1 tablespoon of lime juice. 1 tablespoon will reserve it for later, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic and the salt. Give a good mix and marinate this for around 20 to 30 minutes. That's fine. And let's get to the ingredients for the next step, I mean the green masala. Here I have taken around 1 cup of coriander leaves or the dhania, and here this is around 8 to 9 green chilies. They are really spicy, so the chilies can be taken according to your taste. Here I have taken around 6 pods of garlic. If it's Indian, you can take around 10 pods. And this is around 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera seeds. And this potli or a kind of khazana, what you can see, this is nothing but 200 grams of dahi or yogurt. I have just hanged it in a muslin cloth or a very light cotton cloth so that we can get that hung curd. I mean the very thick one with almost for 2 hours you have to hang it. Minimum 1 hour, just that you can squeeze all the water extra. And here in a mixer jar I have taken all the ingredients for the green masala along with that 1 tablespoon of lime juice and grinded it well. And here it was not grinding so well as I wanted because it was very little, so I just added 1 tablespoon of hung curd to that and then I grinded it to a very smooth paste. Here what you can see, to the grinded masala I have just added the hung curd what we had and then giving it a good whip so that no lumps of yogurt or dahi is seen. You can see this very thick and creamy texture. And here around half an hour I had kept that prawns with ginger garlic and lime, and then here goes the second marination for this thing. And then now you can see the green masala, I'm just coating it well. And this thing what I forgot is usually I just drain the excess water, even though that's lime juice, that's okay because lime juice we have already added here in the green masala while grinding. Mix it very well. Just make sure even the head and till the tail the masala is very well coated. And this I had 1 to 2 tablespoon of extra masala, so you almost around 1 kg of clean prawns you can use in this. And here this is how I wanted to grill my prawns. So I've just taken a bamboo skewer and then you can see from the tail, just be very careful so that it doesn't prick on your hands. Be careful and while pricking it. And you can see the prawns, I have just put a very deep slit while deveining them so that I can it can absorb the masala well, as the prawns were very big ones. And here I have marinated this for around 2 hours. You can keep it overnight even for 3 to 4 hours depending on your urgency. And here on a electric grill pan I have taken, so you can even make this on a barbecue stand or even in a normal grill pan or a normal pan, anything according to your choice. And here as it was on electric grill, you can see it took me around 8 to 10 minutes to get that nice golden lines on the sides and for the prawns to cook. And but just make sure if you're making it on the pan, it will not take more than 5 to 6 minutes. Just flip it very soon and then do not cook it overcook it, I mean. Here I have applied some butter and flipped it. Totally it took me around 15 to 16 minutes for the prawns to be well cooked. And here this was done, applied the butter, and then I wanted to really give that nice barbecue or the tandoori flavor. That's why I've just heated on, kept the charcoal and just drizzling some ghee on top to give that nice flavor, smoky flavor, I mean. And here on the other side I was making some barbecue rice that was nothing but just light smoked rice to go along with this hariali prawns. You can serve this with any barbecue or smoked rice or plain rice, or just serve it as a starter. It's gonna be great, and you all are surely gonna enjoy this. This is one of the best marinade what I usually make with prawns. And here I wanted to show you how perfectly the prawns have cooked, as this is a very large prawns, so it took me time, otherwise it just cooks in minutes. Here you can see I've just separated the heads, and this is not at all overcooked or undercooked. You can see how perfectly the prawns is cooked and delicious it is. So without taking any time, just arrange for some large prawns and do give a try on this recipe. I'm sure you all will love it. And do not forget to share it with your friends and family so that they can also enjoy this amazing recipe. Also, do not forget to comment and let me know your feedback on this recipe. So coming to my extra points, green chilies can be added more or less according to your taste, and I have not added any kind of garam masala to this, so do follow the recipe as it is. Do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures what you have tried from my channel. I would really love to share it on my feed. Do not forget to tag me on Salwa's Delicious Kitchen there, and also like my Facebook page. I hope till now you all have subscribed to my channel. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.